Congratulations, you graduated.
He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life to belong. We make it happen, 'cause we can see it. It's to
Sare liulet ደስ የሚል ሆኖ ሳገኘው ሁሌ ይሄ ቀን በሆነ ብዬ ተመኘው ዛሬ ልዩ ዕለት ደስ የሚል ሆኖ ሳገኘው